Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class.
Students, today we are doing park scene counting activity. So open the page number 38 of your book and let's start. Look at this beautiful picture. It's a park. Can you say park? Very good. Park. We can see many things in the park. Let's look carefully and count what we see. First, what is the color round thing? Yes, it's a ball. Let's count how many balls? Let's count one ball. So we write the number 1 in the box. Next, look at the beautiful flowers in the park. Let's count the flowers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we write the number 5. Now let's count the children playing in the park. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we write number 6. How many trees are there, students? 1, 2. Two trees are there. So we write the number 2 in the box. What do we see flying in the sky? Yes, balloon. आप आसमान पर क्या उड़ता हुआ देख रहे हैं? Balloons. Very good. Let's count the balloons together. 1, 2, and 3. So we write number 3. Now look at the small yellow birds. Are not they cute? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write number 4. Oh, you did amazing counting today, students.